for another nature nugget today. As usual, everything's beautiful. It's like our own little lost frontier. Right, guys? Yeah. Little Tinkle. What are you eating, mister? You're a mess. You're a mess, mister. Down here. Chloe, this way. Oh boy. I'll tell you how I got through life. Not starting my day out this way, I'll never know. Chloe, this way. Come on, you clown. Just take in the majesty and the wonderment that is my backyard. Another Tinkle. And yes, I do pick up poopy bags, or I pick up poopy when we're walking. Just dogs being dogs. That's the best part of this. I don't care which walk of life you come from, what kind of dog trainer you are, horse trainer, cat trainer, dove trainer, whatever, hamster trainer. A tired subject is a good subject. Tired? Did you hear that word? A tired subject is a good subject. And I know that when my dogs get home from here, they take a nice sound nap. Yeah, don't you? Don't you? Such good babies. Such good babies. Love these dogs so much. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? My little man. Oh, my little baby man. Another Tinkle. See? No poopy. Just tinkles. Get your head out of there, you nerd. You're so weird. Okay. Just wanted to do another little nature nugget, and we'll leave it at that with the doggies in the distance if I can get both of them. I know how I can get both of them. I'll just do this. Good.